Amazing grace, so full of love, it lifts me up from sin above. Through darkest nights and stormy seas, your mercy brings me to my knees. Amazing grace, how sweet it is to know your love and endless bliss. Amazing grace, my heart will sing forever praise to Christ my King. Once I was lost, afraid, alone, but now your Spirit guides me home. Your light has shown the way to live, and endless joy your grace will give. Through trials, pain, and every fear, your faithful hand is always near. No power can separate my heart from your great love that will not part. When life is done and time has passed, your grace will hold me safe at last. I'll join the saints in heaven above and sing forever of your love. Amazing grace, how sweet